the thing that I want to also have a look at is right now they all have the maximum. They all have the same maximum thickness, and we can create some randomness to this. And again, we just write a bit more of code, pretty straightforward. So we'll multiply this by a random number that's going to be coming from 0.2 to 1, something like that. So if we just use the rand based on the ID, it should be based on the ID because each one of the points of this trail will have the same ID, and that's what we want. If we were to use point number, each one of the points will have a different point number, so each one of them will have a different thickness, and that will generate some chaotic shape. It could be interesting for some other purposes, but not for this one. So it's important for us to use the ID. If we just multiply by this, we're going to be having, some of them will be keeping exactly the same thickness, but some of them will have a thickness of 0, and that's kind of something that we want to avoid. So let's fit 0, 1 this, and we'll fit it between 0.2 as a minimum, and the maximum can be 1. And now we have some variation. Okay. Again, to recreate this on the VOP, it's also pretty straightforward. Let's use a rand. We're gonna be fitting it, not the position, but the ID. And this is gonna generate a value from 0 to 1, and we're gonna fit range. That's 0 to 1 coming in to a 0.2 to 1. And we'll also multiply this into our multiply here. Again, we should have exactly the same results. So slightly different, but not that different. Okay. Now let's continue with this.